Hi there, it's John Foster here. And today is my birthday, and my two sons have clubbed together to get me something that I haven't done before. So, what is it that they've got? Well, they clubbed together and got me this lovely birthday gift. What's all this drones about? Yes, guys, it's the FTX Skyflash high performance drone. Comes with the first person view goggles as well. You can put them in a choice of colours, red and blue, of course. Has the axle system, so you can keep your flight stable. Headless mode. Got a sort of function where you can turn the speed of it up and down, so you can increase your skills, and a built-in radio system. So just a quick look at the box. It comes like this. It's a very nice box. And turn it around the other way. There you are. Kind of shows you the system there. So you get the controller. You can place your phone and link your phone, or you can put your phone inside the first personal view goggles. So you get the first personal view. Comes with a charger, the device itself, a landing pad and some gates. So as you get your skills, you can fly through the gates. Let's take a look in the box, shall we? So just popping out the box, as you can see, you get quite a bit in here. Obligatory manual, of course. Let's have a little read of that. The actual drone itself. You can change the colour, so you can change the bodywork on there. So you've got a blue or a red, of course. Comes with a controller, much like a sort of PlayStation style controller, that type of controller. So you can link that up to the actual drone. Comes with a little battery as well. Let's take a little look at the battery. So it comes with a 3.7 volt 1S LiPo battery, 520 milliamp hours. So that will plug in to the system. Comes with a pack of tools. Yep, little screwdriver, as you can see, USB charger, and also some spare propeller blades. Assuming these are going to be clockwise and anti-clockwise, I'm assuming. These, yeah, so you've got some that are labelled with an A1 and a B1. Yes, so you've got an A and a B of the propeller blades, just in case you accidentally snag them. So yeah, guys, let's let's have a little bit closer look here. So screwdriver, there we go, easy enough. Oh, look at those guys, look. First personal view goggles. Wow, lovely. That's really, really nice. So not sure how these are, but I'll try and show you how these work. So I need to see how that goes in and slide it in your phone. I think it does. Yeah, it does. Yeah, phone goes in there. All right, perfect, lovely. Set of wipes and such for the first personal view, so you can clean, of course. And let's have a look at the little drone itself, shall we? Let's get those out. Say a little USB charger to charge the little battery up. Another cover, which is really, really nice. The actual controller itself. Yeah, so you can put your mobile phone inside there as well, so you can link that up. Really, really smart. Aha! You also get the landing base. Oh, and the gates, so you can actually set the gates up to fly through the gates. I think I'll do a bit practice first though, eh? Of course, let's have a look at the drones. Let's unravel the drone. Just a couple of wire ties underneath to undo. There we go. And the little drone itself. go. And yeah, wow, and a little aerial for it as well, and has a little camera on the front. There's this one too. So yeah, so like I said at the start of the video, what's all this drone stuff about? So let's find out. Let's read the manual, get things charged up, and have a little look and see how this thing flies. Anyway, my birthday present. Thank you to my lovely family for purchasing this. I'm going to be on a new adventure. Thank you for watching. Take care of yourselves and see you on the next one.